Hey y'all, what's up? It's part 2 of my moving vlog. Um, I was gonna do like 2 vlogs per week because I think the last vlog I did was like kind of short. So I don't know if y'all want to see like 2 short vlogs a week or like just 1 long vlog. I don't know. Maybe I'll do 1 long vlog for this week and we'll see how it goes. Perhaps. Look at my prayers. I don't know, we'll see. So today, pretty much just continue. And don't look, I was gonna put on a wig and get cute for y'all, but I'm not even gonna act like I'm in that mood because I'm not. So, and it's raining because I'm about to go right now, I'm about to go to my old house to pick up some, like grab another load of stuff because there's still like little things over there that I need to get. I basically got like all my big stuff in like boxes yesterday. So I still have stuff over there. I'll show y'all when I get there what's like still over there. That's what we're about to do right now. And also, my building is so weird. They don't have like a trash compactor like I could throw trash out of, like into. So I have to go find this dumpster somewhere on this property, and it's huge. So we're about to go do that too. But yeah, I'm about to get ready. It's raining outside actually. So that's another reason why I'm not about to put a wig on. My jacket's in the car because I don't have anything over here. So I'm about to run to the car with trash and it's like pouring down raining. So that should be fun. Yeah, so that's the intro to this video. Like, comment, subscribe. My name's Danique. I keep forgetting to do this intro because it's like a vlog, so it's weird. Okay, so my name's Danique. If it's your first on my channel, I don't even know what my intro is anymore. But subscribe, like, comment. I have more videos coming soon, but y'all gonna be seeing a lot of moving vlogs because I just moved. Okay. I'll see y'all in a little bit. Okay, so I made it back over to my old house. I just wanted to show y'all what was still here. It's literally like, oh shit. I gotta get my wine bottles at some point. That's trash. My old bed frame that I'm not taking because I got that new bed. Need to come get this at some point. And then this room, all my clothes are still here too. I just don't have time. Like, this is my extra closet. I cut some of the clothes out. All my Uggs are here. Then let me show you. This closet is literally full. Like, I didn't take none of my clothes out. Oh, I forgot about these bins. I gotta get these bins. Shit. Yeah, I gotta get all this shit. Okay, so I just got this part of my living room together. I still need to hang my big picture up. I'm probably gonna hang it on that wall. And I have like more stuff in my living room. I just don't know where I'm putting everything like at as far as on the walls yet. But I know my big picture is going over there. So that's what this looks like so far. I'm probably gonna move the rug a little bit so it's like closer to this couch. But that's what it looks like so far. TV's on this wall for now. I don't know if I want to switch it, but yeah. So we got the vanities together. Now I was trying to figure out which wall I want to put these pictures on. Y'all probably already seen these pictures at my last place. I'm gonna show y'all. There's like these pictures, and they have some more of them. I got these from Facebook Marketplace, if y'all was wondering. Don't know how like to link it here, so I'm sorry. But they have like different ones too, like different poses. I have 3 poses, like 3 sets of these in different poses. Then they have another set like that's 3 different poses than these ones, and I want them, but there's no way I'm gonna be able to find these same frames. That's eyeliner on my hand. I'll see if it still works. So I don't know if I'm gonna get them, but I really want them, but I'm not gonna be able to find these same frames. So I'm gonna put these probably on this wall with my flowers I got from Hobby Lobby. We'll see how that looks. Y'all, I just wanted to mention, I got these Command damage-free hanging little strips. They hang pictures on the wall. I got like a 34 pack, so I can hang like 30. Wait, hold on. Okay, there's 34 pairs, so there's like 68 in here. But these things are so expensive, but I found a big pack on Amazon for like, I think less than $20. So if you're moving, you have a whole bunch of stuff to hang, I highly, highly recommend these. Amazon. Just search up this. Okay, y'all, so that's what the wall looks like. I don't know if it's straight, but I did the best I could. Okay, y'all, so I started filling up, well, yeah, putting stuff in my closet. I don't know, I'm like, I don't know. But I didn't film it. But all my stuff ain't here yet, so I just started putting the clothes away. I do have, I don't know when I'm gonna go get the rest of my clothes. But yeah, that's where we're at in the process. Trying to tidy up this room a little. But it's looking cute. I love that over there. My TV's going on that wall. About to be in mood. Hey y'all, so I don't even know where I left off recording at. I don't know. But I think I'm gonna end the vlog here because I'm not doing anything else for the rest of the day. Exhausted. I didn't sleep last night. And then, you know, just packing stuff. Today it was crazy. So I'm gonna call it a day. My mom came over and brought me some food. But I go food shopping tomorrow. I literally have nothing here. So I'm gonna make this popcorn and watch Netflix. 1 second. Yeah, so I'm gonna end the vlog here. I'm gonna start so I decided to do shorter vlogs, obviously, if you can tell. Just cause I don't wanna do, I don't wanna bore y'all. And also, I don't know, I think I'm just gonna try to do like a little, I don't know what I'm doing. But I decided to do shorter vlogs. And then I know I didn't show y'all like what my room looked like after I got done doing everything, but I think I'm just gonna do like a like fully furnished house tour after I get everything settled. So we'll do the moving vlogs, and after the moving vlogs, it's starting to pop already. We'll do the fully furnished tour. So yeah, I'll see you guys next video. Next video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you next video. Peace.